here, and I'm going to be unboxing a Pearl Igniter Snare from Casey Cooper that he sent from his actual studio that I'm getting for my birthday because I didn't get to go to a concert right now, so I'm just gonna unbox it here and then I'll test it later. There we go. Poster in here. The poster shows rudiments on the back page. It shows other Pearl artists and other people. And on this side, it shows him on that side with other people on the back side of that.
Did you see him on the front?
Yeah. And then here I got the signed snare drum with a drum kit right there, and then it says "Now work hard, drum hard, dream big, happy drumming, Casey Cooper." Signed pair of. These are his actual sticks. Ugh.
Is that cool?
Yeah. So now we're gonna open this and check it out. It doesn't have great sound right now, but we're gonna do that. It's got flames on it. Red. Good drum head. Hello. Not tuned. Then if you pull this down, it still sounds the exact same because it's not tuned at all. Then we just gotta tune it and I'll play it later. Bye. Subscribe. Watch that video. That video. Thanks, Casey Cooper, if you're watching this video. Also, feel free to subscribe and check the link in the description below to buy any of my stuff that I use in my videos. And bye, Casey Cooper, if you're watching this.